Starting your coding journey.
Learning to code can feel overwhelming at first, but beginning with the right steps makes all the difference. As a complete beginner, it's important to focus on the basics. Choose a beginner-friendly language and approach your practice with patience and consistency. Let's explore a clear path designed to help you build solid programming skills from zero.
Choosing your first programming language.
For absolute beginners, languages like Python or JavaScript are highly recommended. They have simple syntax and abundant resources available. Pick one language to start with and commit to it. This focus allows you to develop fundamental problem-solving skills without being distracted by too many options early on.
Building foundational knowledge.
Start by learning the basic concepts: variables, data types, loops, and conditionals. Use free online tutorials, interactive websites, or beginner-friendly books. Don't rush. Take time to understand how each concept works and write small code snippets to see them in action. Building this strong foundation is crucial for your growth.
Practicing with simple projects.
Apply your knowledge by creating simple programs like a calculator, a number guessing game, or a to-do list. These hands-on projects reinforce what you've learned and bring coding concepts to life. Each time you finish a small project, reflect on what worked and where you found challenges. Then try something slightly more complex.
Joining coding communities.
Learning is easier when you're not alone. Join beginner-friendly forums, coding groups, or online learning platforms. Ask questions, seek feedback, and share your progress. Engaging with others not only helps you stay motivated, but also exposes you to different ways of thinking about problems.
Staying consistent and setting goals.
The key to progress is regular practice. Set aside dedicated time each week and establish small, achievable goals like finishing a tutorial or completing a project. Celebrate your milestones and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Persistence and patience will be your strongest allies as you continue to learn and grow.